This is Tony Victor, and this is the third part of our series on the Fourth Way origins. In the Mysteries of Eleusis, dating from the pre-Greek Mycenaean civilization around 1500 BC, about the same time as the early Vedic culture in India, and continuing for 2,000 years until they disappeared in Byzantine times, the culmination of the mystic initiation was the display of the ear of corn harvested in silence, a special act for those who were to be admitted to the fullest degree of the mysteries in the year following their first initiation. The idea of the corn harvested in silence is of the deepest significance. All methods of self-development entail coming out of who we are not, and depend on the capacity to allow a silent inner stillness to prevail in the mind, the emotions, and the body. From this deep and fertile ground, the seed of our truly human nature grows naturally to its full fruition. Meditation, mindfulness, all the inner disciplines aim in one way or another to produce a state of attentive stillness in which eventually the attention disappears, allowing a condition of complete emptiness. Thanks for listening. Check out my project on my website, kundaliniquicksilver.com. Like, subscribe, and connect to me on social media. Thank you.